Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I firmly believe that every woman should have at least one tiara in her possession, and this one is my favorite. This black crown tiara from TOCESS is so perfect. I love the size and look of this one. It is so elegant and it is nice and lightweight, and I love that it comes with two slots on the top where you can stick a bobby pin in and make sure that will stay on your hair all day or night long, however long you're wearing it. I love the look of this tiara, that it has these spiky antique brass looking parts and that it has black and pearl beads strung through it with little bits of rhinestone throughout so it will sparkle in the light, and it makes the perfect scary queen look and I am just completely obsessed with it. I think this is the perfect tiara to have whether you are putting together a costume or you just want to have it on hand for any time you feel like conquering your enemies. This is the perfect tiara for you, and that is my point of view.